Put out. It has many different meanings. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Alright, so let's use it in the conversation. The power's back. Put out that candle and torch. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆರಿಸು. Okay, glad the lights are back on. Would you put your cigarette out, please? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ನ ಆರಿಸಿ. Of course, I didn't realize it was bothering you. What happened at the warehouse last night? There was fire and it took 2 hours to put out the fire. Is there any new information about the situation in town? The police put out a notice about the new rules to curb COVID. Did the government respond to the global crisis? Yes, the Prime Minister put out a strong message to the world. When are they planning to put out the new album of the movie? The launch is set for next month. The shopkeeper was really put out when we bargained too hard. He was put out andre he was irritated. Maybe we pushed too much. Bargaining can be stressful for shop owners. Roll up your sleeve and put out your hand. Andre munde madu. Okay, I hope it doesn't hurt too much. She put out her hand to thank me. A handshake is a nice gesture. How did you help her? Don't put your tongue out. It's rude. Got it. I was just joking around, but I understand. Alright, so put out ge ishtu meanings ide. So ವಿಡಿಯೋನ 2-3 ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನ PDF ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಗಲೇ ನೆನಪುಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ.